So hello guys, welcome back to another boarding video. This is actually very boring for me too because this is my second attempt. The first attempt video got corrupted. So yeah, the code is already made. This idea was very new to me because when I made the first video, I actually had the idea while studying geography because by the way, last time when I was making the video, I didn't tell at first what I was actually doing, but this time I am actually going to do it. So let's select the chapter that I was actually reading, resources and development. Shout out to NCRT. So the thing that I wanted to do is there are many apps like Adobe that have AI assistants, but you have to mostly write the thing. You just can't select it. There are also many apps that support those, but our app will be able to do that without actually opening the PDF in that app itself. What our app will actually do is you can just select you know text and then control C, that is copy, and in our terminal the explanation will be there. So I have actually created this folder. I actually made the code live, but the video got corrupted. So yeah, this is made by Gemini. There are mainly two modules: Gemini, that is made by Google, and Win32 clipboard that actually lets us access the clipboard. So we will just create a variable. Actually, we will create the client with our API key. I will change it after the video. I could use environment variables, but that would make my code very long. Actually, not that long, but I am just lazy, guys. I am just lazy. Whatever. So, I just opened the clipboard. Uh, Took the initial data that was in the clipboard, then closed it again, and then in a loop we are constantly taking the latest values from our clipboard, and if the data does not match with the initial data, we make another variable called select, and make that equals to data, and also make this variable initial data equals to data, so that we could use it for our next uh, repetition. So if that data is not equals to the initial data, that means we have copied something recently. We will put that into our Gemini prompt, explain the selected data. So this is very simple, but it works, guys. It works. We will close the clipboard at the end, and there will be a 1 second delay just to make it easier for our sweet computers to run. So yeah, this code is very effective and very cool. I actually also wanted to show you guys many tests that I have done in Gemini, like audio tests. That is, Gemini will actually see what audio you have in your audio file, and it can actually detect what audio it has. But we can also do that in another video, and also I also made a visual that we actually used in our science exhibition. I'm actually, why I don't know why am I talking about it right now, about the science exhibition project, because it was a very cool project. But yeah, actually I forgot, and I actually made it at the middle of this channel's career. So actually I think also uploaded one video of it in my channel. Whatever. So let's just test this out now, so that we can talk about that later. Why am I pressing A? So yeah, actually the video was 15 minutes long, but this is going to be much shorter. If I actually tell you now how long is it, this is now 4 minutes 54 seconds, so we will have enough time So yeah, I guess this is working already, right? Yeah. So now let's just copy resource, right? What the hell is happening? I don't think this is running properly. Let's just run it again. Yeah. So if we copy this, wait for it, guys. Wait for it. There should be the definition coming in. Gemini takes some time, but yeah, it's worth it. Oh, I guess because actually when I was actually showing the last video, I actually copied the resource only to show uh, the example, the demo. So I will have to copy something else on the basis of origin. No, let's do this statement. Yeah, actually, oh, okay. So yeah, they are. This is a new feature, I think, na? That what is actually happening live. I guess it is. Whatever. So let's just wait for the program to run because it should give it any time now. Anytime, guys. Anytime. What the hell? Why is it not coming? Shit. I don't think this is too good. What the hell is happening? Wait, guys. Technical error. Oh, guys, I think I am dumb because there was just a continue symbol here. I don't know who put a breakpoint here. I don't know how it happened, but I just had to press continue and it worked. So let's try this again, but this time let's not do anything stupid. So yeah, let's just select something. Again this one, because that time I tested with resource. As you guys can see, it's a breakpoint, so I just have to press continue. It will not happen in the if we actually run it in Python or something. Yeah, as you guys can see, it gave the result. So guys, this is it for this thing. Now we will talk about that project I was talking about. Yeah, content. So yeah, whatever, I will just start by opening my channel here. Unlike last time, in the last video, I am doing this on purpose. I am not opening screen because I don't want any copyright, because there will be many thumbnails, right? So yeah, whatever. Now I will just turn it back to my normal scene. Yeah, now this is my thing apparently. Yeah, so let's go to videos. Actually shorts, I think that was a short. Which one? Yeah, this one, my finest work ever. So here we can see the robotic. Mute it for now. Yeah, so this was the whole thing, as you guys can see. Yeah, so this was there. My project was basically divided into two parts. First was this vehicle, and second was what did we name it again? ODS, Object Detection Center. So basically, the vehicle is further divided into two parts. By the way, this is the prototype vehicle. Actually, there was a whole team of me and my friends. I was the one doing the coding and the wiring. They were the designing. Some were designers, some were more designers, and also I guess what were more things required. Yeah, chart makers, yeah, those types of stuff, whatever. So this was the prototype thing. Further, there was also a chassis made, cover made, the object detection center was made, because I can't show it here, whatever. So The vehicle was divided into two parts. The first part is actually there are two Arduino Unos. First part is controlling both of the parts have a joystick. First part is controlling the two wheels which are driven by N20 gear motors, and this is the L293D motor driver which is controlled obviously by the Arduino, and it is the one controlling the two motors. The Arduino Uno has a joystick connected which we can control the car with. The front part, as you can see, has three arms. The Those two were for the boxes that can be lowered, right, with the joystick, and the front one can move in two axes, that is X and Y, and those can actually swipe the dust in front of it to or dust or any trash into the two containers, and the vehicle will go places collecting dust or trash, and at the end of the day it will bring it to the ODS, and in the ODS there were two boxes, right? So in the middle there was a ESP32 cam which streamed live video cam to a laptop or anything, desktop, whatever. So, and where when press the key, a Python program would run. I can actually show you that, no? Let me see. Whatever. So that Python program would take a screenshot of the video cam and classify it into either biodegradable or non-biodegradable, which are there are two boxes. One can has a decomposer, model decomposer, obviously. So that's how it works. So now let me find the thing. Okay, so guys, I actually didn't find it, but I found a similar program here. So basically these are I import in the original program also. I have imported PyAuto GUI, taken a screenshot here, saved it, and in my file that is actually will be uploaded to genai.upload file, that is it will be uploaded to the Gemini and be attached to the prompt, right? That this s1.png that I have saved previously through PyAuto GUI. So, and yeah, model equals to the whole thing, yeah. So we have attached here my file, then give the prompt. This was made to get answers to a quiz. Yeah, my friend told me to make it. Focus on the quiz question and tell the answer only. So yeah, pretty cool program if you ask me. Am I showing it? No. Why am I so stupid? I always do this. Yeah, but you can take it for just what I said. You can relate it to the program. So whatever, guys, it's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm very sorry I couldn't show you the making of that code. Yeah, it was actually not that hard, but yeah, whatever, guys. Bye for today. Meet you on the next video that is coming 5 years later. Just kidding. I will try to make the continuation of that Pygame thing. Whatever. Bye. Hope you stay safe, and yeah, I should stop yapping. Bye.